Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can clients upload files to HoneyBook? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. The short answer, yes, clients can upload files to HoneyBook. The long answer, there are two ways that clients can upload files to HoneyBook. Through the HoneyBook File Manager. The HoneyBook File Manager is a tool that allows you to share files with your clients. You can use it to send them invoices, proposals, contracts, and other documents. To use the HoneyBook File Manager, simply click on the Files tab in the HoneyBook dashboard. Then, click on the Upload Files button. Once you've uploaded a file, you can share it with your client by clicking on the Send button. Through the HoneyBook Workspace. The HoneyBook Workspace is a collaborative platform that allows you and your clients to work on projects together. You can use it to share files, track tasks, and communicate with your clients. To use the HoneyBook Workspace, simply click on the Workspace tab in the HoneyBook dashboard. Then, click on the Create New Workspace button. Once you've created a workspace, you can invite your client to join it. Once they've joined, they can upload files to the workspace. Additional tips. You can upload files up to 10 gigabytes in size. You can upload a variety of file types, including PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and images. You can track who has viewed and downloaded your files. You can set permissions for who can view and edit your files. I hope this answer is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today. I hope you learned something new about HoneyBook. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.